What's up, guys? Welcome back to
Travel and fun.
Yes. After a really long time, we are embarking on a new trip, and we are presenting you our Italy trip now. And we are going to two places in Italy.
Yeah.
One will be Milan,
And one will be Venice.
Venice, the city without roads. Yeah. So we're going to these two places.
Recently we heard that water level is down in Venice.
Yes.
But when we inquired, we came to know it's not like that.
Yeah.
So hopefully we are going.
Yes. So Anu is having some cold, so that's why she's struggling to talk.
Always something when I travel.
Yes, but it should be fine. Yeah. So we are on a 4 days trip, of which one day will be in Venice, and the other 2.5 days would be in Milan. Yeah. So that's our plan. So yeah. So now we are in Copenhagen airport, and we have our EasyJet flight from here to Milan Malpensa airport.
It's an end-to-end flight, and the flight is already delayed.
Yes,
So
they said that our flight is delayed. So you have to go to Milan Malpensa. From there, you have to take a connection to the Milan Central Station, and from there, you travel to Venice by train. So our flight is now delayed. So our flight is supposed to reach at 16:30, but it will reach at 16:50 around.
Yeah.
And
we have a bus.
Yes, at 17:10. 17:10. So let's see how it goes. We'll show you everything. Yeah, stay tuned. You can watch us running the Olympic runs. Yeah. We are now running for the bus because it's pre-booked, and if we miss that, we have to pay for another connection. But our intention is to reach the train station on time so that we don't miss the train, because the trains are not very frequent. It's one in every hour or so. Yeah. So now we are running. We made it, guys. We made it. You have to really run. So this is the bus. This is from
You
TerraVision.
don't have to run if a flight is on time.
Yeah. So it will take like 50 minutes from here to the central station, and we need to get fresh in the central station now. So hopefully we'll not miss the train now, at least. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this bus costs.
I think at least this bus, reaches on time.
Yes, and this bus costs 10 euros for one person from Milan airport
to Central
Station. Yeah, and if you book it online, so we booked to and return also, like after 3 days, and it costed me 4 euros less if you book it that way. So in 32 euros, we'll be able to go and come from Central Station to airport. Yeah. So guys, we have reached.
Successfully missed our train.
Yes, we missed our train. Our train was scheduled at. It was scheduled, and it is still like it's on its time. It's almost on its way to Venice, but we missed our train. You see, that's the bus we came in. That's TerraVision. There was an accident
on the road, so we got delayed, and there was a huge traffic.
Yeah.
It hardly takes 50 minutes, but it took for us more than 1.5 hours.
So yeah, it's almost 1.5 hours. So it's now 6:50 p.m. and so what I did is that I cancelled that train ticket. I got around almost 70% of the amount I got back, and I booked another one which is scheduled at around 8:30 p.m. and we'll reach Venice at close to
11:50.
12. Close to 12. So yes, that's when we'll reach Venice Santa Lucia station. So now we have this opportunity to explore some parts of Venice, Milan. Yeah. And
For 1 hour.
yeah, for 1 hour, and we'll make sure. So this is the Milan Central Station, guys. I'll just turn the camera and show you. So this is where the buses will come and stop, and you can see this is the Milan Central Station. Yeah, looks like actually we thought from when we were on the bus, we thought that it's a very big cathedral or something, but it's really good. So the architecture here is really good. This part of Italy, yeah, you can see it's Mercato Centrale, Milan. Yeah. So, how do you feel? Is it cold?
Cold.
Is it cold?
It is cold.
It's not very cold, but
but
it's
18,
around
19.
18, 17, I guess.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of options here to eat, fast food and stuff. So what we will do is we'll go and check out inside the station.
Yeah.
We need to freshen up, and then we'll check something to eat and drink. Yeah, let's go.
So anyways, we have time until 8.
Yes. Now we have a lot of time. Let's go. In Milan, I see that you have these trams that you see here. You have these trams, and then you have the trains and also the buses and also metro. That's what I saw. But more about the public transport in Milan, we'll do it when we are in Milan.
Yeah.
Because this is only 1 hour stay here, and we'll be going to Venice. So more about Milan in another video. Yeah, and this is the entry to the central station, if you can see. Yeah.
Nice, la, this one.
Yeah.
What was it?
Yeah, it's nice. So yeah, eventually we don't have our trains. Yeah, because it's at 8:30, and the central station inside really looks great. Yeah, super. It's no less than a mall, and you have access to the trains and also the metro at the same place.
And you have a lot of shopping.
Yes, you can also purchase your tickets here from the ticket vending machines. So there are different types of trains. One is this Italo, one is this
Train Italia.
And then there is this Freccia Rosa. I don't know how you pronounce it. But that is
Big station, right?
yeah, it's a very big station. Too huge, la? So this station has a lot of exits, guys. Look at this. Oh my. Isn't that huge? Look at the majestic Milan Central Station, guys. This is so majestic. And this is the
Largest
railway station in Europe by volume.
by volume.
Yeah. So by volume means by the number of passengers who travel every day. And
it's very huge.
it's very huge inside. And we just had our small snack dinner from McD, which is just over there at that point. I can see a lot of police presence here today. And what is your general feel about Milan?
Milan is good.
Yeah.
But there are a lot of people, like homeless kind of people.
Yeah.
So it's a bit scary.
Yes. So basically, if you're coming from Scandinavia, where there are very less people, because of less population, we are used to less population. Yeah.
Like if you sit outside also, in Denmark, I have never felt it. If I'm sitting outside alone, if I'm waiting for him, then I don't feel any problem. Here, like those people were staring at me.
They also said something to you. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you have to adapt yourself to whichever place you go. But look at the exteriors, guys. These buildings are really beautiful. It actually puts on a really good ambience to the surroundings of the central station. Amazing. It's also similar on the other side of the station where we came in. We showed you in the beginning. Yeah, so our train is at 8:25 from platform number 10.
Train, so not huge train, huge station.
Yes. So we thought we'll... Yeah, let's go there. Yes. Yeah, we'll show you the station inside once we are there. Look at this, guys. It's huge. Let's go. Look at that, guys. It's huge. It is huge. Guys, look at this. So huge, guys, so huge. This is the Italo bullet train. Oh, and ours is that green one. Our earlier one was the bullet train, but unfortunate delays. Wow. So that one is Train Italia, guys, and this one here. This is the Freccia Rosa. Yeah? This is the Freccia Rosa, you can see. Wow. I don't know what train this is. No, not this one. Then platform 10 is that? This is platform 10? Okay. So this is our train, guys. Then our train on Okay, we'll have to check if this is our train still. But ours is this one, train odd. So I think every train company has a different platform allotted here. See, you remember this train? We went by that train the other last time. Freccia Rosa, Train Italia.
This train is looking nice.
Yeah, it's like a bullet train. This is our train, the Trenord. It's called the Trenord. And this is from Hitachi. Yeah. And that's also a Renault train, but it's an old one, I guess. And this is the classic one. I don't know what it's called. Let's see. Oh, it's SBB. So this is the one that runs from Switzerland, I guess. Yes. So OBB is from Austria. SBB is from Switzerland. And there you have the Italo trains. Yeah, amazing. They're all high-speed trains. Bips, this is the one coming from Switzerland. This is SBB. OBB is Australia. SBB is from Switzerland. Yeah. We also had a launch. Yeah, like Munich railway station. It's very huge. Yeah. So we have our seats booked on this train.
Let's go.
We'll check our coach number and then we'll find our seats. Let's go. We are at Verona Porta Nuova. Yeah, again we had to do a small run here, but it was good.
Yeah, because the shifting time was only 4 minutes for us.
Yes. So. And actually it was on the adjacent platform, they scheduled arrival, but it came on another platform. So we had to actually go down and climb up the stairs again. But still.
But we got it.
Yes, we got it. So our next stop will be Santa Lucia, Venice.
Venice, yeah.
Yeah.
Finally.
Yeah. So once we reach there, we'll show you how Santa Lucia looks. And then we'll make our new video. Yes, at midnight. And then we'll make our new video, our day in Venice, in the next one. Yeah. Welcome to Venice. So it's almost midnight and we just arrived in Venice. This is the Venice Santa Lucia station. Yeah. So
it's cold. It's 11 degrees.
Yeah, it's 11 degrees and from here we need to catch a boat, yeah,
And
to our Airbnb. We'll show you that and then we'll scrap up the video. Yeah. Yes. So this is welcome to Venice, guys. That was the train saying good night to us. Wonderful, wonderful. Except for some delays, I guess it was good. But the journey would have been really good if it was daytime, because you are crossing a big water body in between. So Venice is actually like an island, you know. So it would have been good if it was daytime. Yeah, now let's see how to make use of the public transport here. Yeah, and we'll see. Platforms in here, guys, in the Santa Lucia station. That Italo train and all, they all come here.
I have to be in the
Yeah.
Sadhanam.
Yes, let's go. Who's excited? Who's excited? Oh,
Looking out over Venice.
yes.
Oh, Padalanthu.
Yes. We'll surely.
They should have put some light and all, no?
Yeah. It's all energy saving now. I think that's the ferry terminal over here. We'll go and inquire for a 1-day pass because we are here for 1 day. We'll take a 24-hour pass, which is for around 24 euros per head. So we'll take that and off to our destination. Excited?
Yeah.
I'm equally excited to sleep now. Kunyan!